Yo, what it be? It's your boy Second Chance, but you already know. Back at it again with another video. We doing something different today. Okay? Starting off in the bathroom. Cause what we doing is the week. I don't even know what I'm calling it. The real deal broccoli and chicken. The epic weekly transformation. I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet, but anyways, the way I'm gonna do this video, I'm gonna format it to where it's like 1000% real. I'm gonna try to stick to only broccoli, cauliflower, and chicken for a week straight. About to hit this weigh in right here on this scale. I'm gonna let y'all see what it say so I can keep track. Just wait. Looks like I'm gonna be starting off at 287, which I think I'm around like 285 to be honest, but we're gonna let it slide. 2 extra pounds ain't no bad. But yeah, hopefully I'll be able to do like 10 pounds in a week. I think y'all can see that. 5 pieces, 210 calories. This gonna be the play for today. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm gonna keep it real. I'm trying to tell y'all. But yeah, so I'm gonna do 2 servings of this. And this is only 25 calories. So it says it contains about 3.5 servings. I'm gonna eat the whole thing. So that's like 100. Okay, so I haven't been seen on camera in about, I don't got my phone right here, but I'm guess I haven't uploaded on this channel in like 4-5 months. What? On this channel. But I've been active on my other channels. If y'all don't know about them, y'all can go check them out. But okay, so to give the quickest update physically possible, moved out of California, April. This is August 16th. I took this job, got out of shape again. If y'all don't know, I had lost hella weight 2019. Make a long story short, took a job, ate unhealthy as hell, gained like half of the weight back. So a month ago, I started doing water fasting for, I only ate for a 6 to 8 hour window every day. And I already saw like 15 pounds weight loss. Started at 299. As y'all seen today, I was 287. But yesterday, I kind of had a cheat day, you know, Sunday, you know. So I gained 2 pounds, whatever. But okay, so yeah, shit got out of hand. Time to get it back under control. We're gonna start doing this broccoli and chicken challenge, or well, actually, I'm gonna combine it with the fasting because I'm trying to see rapid results. Ain't nobody got time to waste. Like I said, once again, I'm gonna keep it real. So this right here is the key. This the key right here. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, okay? So what we got going here, 70 calories for 2 tablespoons. I don't think I use 2 tablespoons. Maybe so, maybe not. I don't know. It's not that serious. Might be 10 calories off. That's cool. Okay. So as you can tell right now, it's obviously nighttime as hell. I just so happened to pull up to the gym. You know, I couldn't make it at my regular time. I usually go around like 1 to 3 p.m. is when I usually go. But I pull up to the gym and guess what? It closed at 9 o'clock. So I'm over here sipping on this pre-workout and I don't know what to do now, shit. I can't just waste it. I gotta go do something. I don't know what. Okay.
Hey Siri, call the girlfriend.
Calling MLA. Mobile.
Hello.
Baby.
Hi.
Guess what? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
What you
What am I
doing?
doing? What you doing?
You over there cheating on me?
Babe, I'm on the same position on the couch that I just snatched you.
Yeah, you better be. You better be. Because it sounds like you've been doing some shuffling and truffling.
You can literally FaceTime me right now and I'm in the exact same position.
But I couldn't hear you when I said guess what. I don't know if you said anything, but pulled up to the gym and they fucking closed at 9 o'clock.
Nuh-uh.
So now I'm on pre-workout and driving to the gym that's over there off of 75. They don't close till 11.
Why you didn't lose the time?
Because I don't know why I remembered that. I don't know. I heard my brother say that they extended the gym times, but I guess this COVID shit got people shutting down earlier now. Yo, so today's number 3, and I definitely woke up feeling a lot different than what I usually feel. I don't know, you know, I'm used to doing this diet thing, but I'm not used to doing this no carbs thing. I think that's the biggest difference. But it's 3 o'clock, about to pop top on this pre-workout. Today's run day. I need to hit like 3 miles. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but we gonna see. All right then. Yes, sir. Ski. Always put the baskets back, people. I have no clue why I do this, but I do. I can't even tell if it's in focus, but you get the point. Man, so today is, I don't know if this counts as day 6 or day 7, but I just whipped into the gym and it's time for me to go in here and get you know, get it in. You know, today run day, so it's time to see if well, first of all, let me just say this. Let me rewind. Okay, so 2 days ago, it's probably the best I ever felt. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. As far as running goes, this no carbs thing, it really does a trick to the body. Okay, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. All right, it's hard for me to see right now because I'm trying to look in the mirror and into the camera at the same time, and it's not working out pretty fine. But yeah, I'm probably gonna give an overall review of it. I don't know if I'm gonna cut it a day short. Technically today is day 6, tomorrow is day 7. I usually have cheat days on day 7, I mean on Sundays, but I don't know if I want to do a cheat day. I'm not really tired of it yet. It's not really that bad, as long as you add just a little bit of, I used to, oh, matter of fact, yeah, I can show y'all right here. This right here is the key. All right, if y'all want to do chicken and broccoli, just pour some of this or some of that teriyaki sauce on there. This is only 60 calories. That's all you need, 60 calories. Right now, I can slap the numbers up on the screen like this and show y'all that for me and for my personal goals, I'm supposed to be eating under 2,400 calories. I think it's 24 or 26, I can't remember right now, but yeah, I'm easily cruising and doing that, especially combining it with the fasting. So I don't eat every day no matter what until 6 p.m. Usually I only eat twice a day, but the scale should speak for itself. All right then. Whoosh.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Hey, I'll tell you a little secret, okay? So, you don't come out the gym looking like this. Did you really work out? I don't think so. Yes, sir, ski.